Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. My name is Listia Richard. I'm going to try to do a new series here where I put our more common support ticket questions on YouTube with the answers. Hopefully have some that I can show examples. If you ever have anything you want to see explained in more detail, please send in a support ticket and I'll gladly answer it. And yeah, here we go. The first question we have today was from a user who had created two accounts, so a multiple account, and they wanted me to remove an older account with no activity and keep their new account that has activity. So that's a pretty easy fix. Just send in a support ticket with both the new account information and the old account information, and I can make the adjustments for you. Let's go ahead and do that. Our next question that came in was about the new seller cards and how to add perks to the seller card. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So what you're going to do is go to your Listia seller card page, scroll down, input your links. And then in this description, you'll see you could add perks. So what I did here was do the free bonus item with every purchase, digital collectible with every purchase, every repeat purchase, $5 gift card sent as a bonus. What you're going to do is make perks that you on the seller side can complete, not necessarily what Listia can do for you. So I also added like a free shipping, things like that. Things that you can give your winner if they win one of your auctions. Also, feel free to add other marketplaces or your social medias into the descriptions. Just make sure whatever you're selling on the other marketplaces are not on Listia. So make sure they're unique items you're selling on Listia and the other marketplaces. But yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. But yeah, this is how you add perks to your seller card. So then what you want to do is go ahead and update your seller card. Click OK. It will update, and then your seller card will have all your new information in it. And you're ready to go. Start sending those seller cards to your winners. All right. So for our next common question is about offers and surveys, and if you do not receive your points. So Listia does not actually have power over who receives and who does not receive points. We just sort of let these companies put their offers on our site, and when you complete a task, they're in charge of granting the points to your account. So if you ever do not receive your points, before reaching out to us, you should reach out to the survey companies and survey offer companies, and here's how you do that. So what you're going to want to do first is go to your landing page on your Listia account, go down to do surveys and points, click on it, it'll open up this beautiful new survey page. The first survey company is Tap Research. Go ahead and click begin. Survey once it loads, accept. And then it should hamburger window on the upper right, click on help. Yep, there it is. Submit a support request for add gem. I'm going to go to the left hamburger window, click on user terms. It'll open a new window. Once that loads, over on the left hand side, you'll see player support. Go ahead and click that. And then follow the steps to submit a support request. All right, let's go back. Offer Toro is the next one. That will be at the bottom of the page. Scroll on down. At the bottom, you'll see the Offer Toro link. Click on that. Once it opens, a little slower, you'll see contact on the upper right-hand-ish corner. Click that. And it will load eventually. It will load, and you'll be able to submit a support request from there. Let's go back. Let's do the next one. Scroll back up. For add send, the support's right there on the right hand side. Rev view will be the headset there. Go ahead and click that. It'll open another window. If you've completed an offer, it will be here. that. Frequently asked questions for AdGate. Once it loads, you'll see the link there to create a new support ticket. Click that, submit your support ticket. I hope this helps. So I hope this helps. Again, we're gonna try to do this weekly. So if you have anything you want explained further, again, don't hesitate to send in a support ticket and I'll take a look at it and see if we can get a video out on it. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. Check out our contests and the videos, our previous videos, and on Facebook. Yeah, and I think we have a couple drawings. We have a golden wheel, silver wheel drawing tomorrow. And then on Friday, we have our big weekly giveaway for $25 Target gift card. And I believe we're close to the criteria of doubling that. So we might have two $25 gift cards given away tomorrow. Or on Friday, I'm sorry. So good luck to everyone. And we'll see you later.